Hi everybody, this video is to help you access your ELA choice board documents. I've already done a video about how to access Google Classroom and how to add a class. So if you need to go back and watch that one, you can do that over on our Google site or on my YouTube channel. Yours is going to look a little different. Mine, I've got quite a few classes because you're seeing it from the teacher's side, but the student side is not that much different. So once you're into Google Classroom, you're going to go to writing. So you'll see that I have writing for Boguski, writing for Freemouth, and writing for Windler. So I'm just going to go ahead and go to writing for Freemouth. So you're going to click on this. You're going to go to classwork, and under alternative method of instruction, you'll see all four of these are all documents. This is a link to the choice board that you can also find on our 5th grade website. But if you need to see it again, it is here. So for this week, you're going to find this link and you're going to click on this. Now, when you open this as a student, your name should appear here. So what you'll do is you'll find whatever assignment you're working on and type your answer right in here, whatever that answer may be. You can do these all out of order. It doesn't matter, just find whichever one you worked on for that day. If it's the next week, you're going to go to this one. Same thing, you're going to click on this. You're going to find whichever assignment you're working on for that day, and you're going to put your work here and type it out. If you have any questions about how to access these or anything else, just let me know.